We know Florida is a very fragile ecosystem. It's right in the path of Hurricane Alley. It gets a lot of high winds, rising seas, storm surges.
The mainly we're looking at is to raise most of the site up to the same height or close by height of Big Blue, because it's quite higher than the actual waterfront area. So therefore you're out of the floodplain. Then we put all the generators and all the things that fuel the buildings higher up on the roofs to make sure that even in an event of higher floods and hurricanes, they won't be flooded. And you could still use quite a few of the floors for the hotels, for instance, as a refuge center for the community that can't reach their home anymore. In addition, we have detention basins and retention basins below the park to filter through the water in a slower fashion back to the lagoon. We also put a living seawall around the edge of the site, which means that it allows for growth of algae and other marine life that really makes the lagoon and the mangroves a healthier area for the mentees to swim in.
They're actually 3D printed concrete that will actually create more live areas for organisms to attach to and grow in, so that you don't have a sheer face of concrete or a sheer face of some other material that doesn't promote growth like you would normally find. So it's a very new technology. People will be watching us as we continue to implement it, and I think it will be one of the largest implementations of living seawall in Florida.
We've had several projects in the Florida market that have shown that approach to being resilient and thoughtful isn't just an idea, it's proven out. Right? Our buildings stand up better, they hold up, they understand how to be back online as soon as they can. We're going to bring all that knowledge to bear as we go forward onto this project.